Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Gloria B. You already know I'm not finna do a long intro. So basically, to get right into it, I'm doing this glueless install on this wig. It was actually neon pink and I dyed it jet black with undertones of purple in there left from the neon pink. So basically, like I said, this is a glueless install. I use no ghost spun, no bowl hole, whatever you use to take your edges out. I didn't use it. I only used the got to be glued holding and the got to be glued gel, and it held pretty nicely. And I'm just basically gonna let you watch the video and see for yourself. I'm gonna let the music play. I hope you enjoy the video.
I know how you hit the call. Spend your life searching for more. Afraid to leave, afraid to show. Fight to leave, fight to leave, fight to sometimes find yourself knowing no. Lost and looking for a soul. There's nowhere to go. Cause the thing we're searching for is just waiting back home. And you've done your walking, probably enough for two. Oh, often you've had it rough, but you also had your cup filled up. And we both know, every time you come around, every time you return, you see it in your tired eyes, that you still have more to go.
It can't be anything like love, can it?
No, it mustn't be. It can't.
Would it be inconvenient?
Terribly. Anyway, I know it isn't.
Yeah.
Oh, right, we're out of our minds.
Right into our hearts.
That music.
It does, doesn't it? Tracy, you're so...
But my insteps are melting away. What is it, if I got feet of clay or something? It's not under the pool, it's just over the lawn and in the birch grove. It'll be lovely now.
Tracy, you're tremendous.
Put me in your
Sometimes find yourself knowing no. Lost and looking for your soul. Grabbing for what you can hold. Sometimes realize there's nowhere to go. Cause the thing you're searching for has been waiting back home. I stay waiting for you.
details of it all. I love it. I love it. It's frontal and I didn't have to lay it down because honestly my edges can't take another frontal. Can't do it. So this is a great alternative if you want to wear something, and plus I can take it off at night and just throw it back on in the morning. So I freaking love it. What do you guys think? What do y'all think? I think it looks beautiful. You want to tell them hi?
Hi.
Yeah. So we're about to head out. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Y'all be blessed and peace. Bye y'all.